What's going on, YouTube? Waiter. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to jailbreak your iPhone, your iPod Touch, your iPad, and even your Apple TV running on version 4.2.1 firmware. Now, as of right now, this jailbreak is only for Macintosh, but Windows users, you can watch this video because it's going to be the exact same thing. As soon as the Windows version is out, I will post it down in the video description, okay? If you don't know what the video description is, just look down below this video. There's like a lot of text there. Just click on that and it will show you links and text. Just read that and it'll point you in the right direction, okay? So, I'm sorry. This is also an untethered jailbreak, which means that you will be able to turn off your device and then turn it back on without using the jailbreak program, okay? Which is a good thing, okay? If you're new to jailbreaking and stuff like that, that's a good thing, trust me. To cover the devices that are actually compatible with this jailbreak, the iPhone 4, the iPhone 3GS, and the iPhone 3G, iPod Touches, iPod Touch 4, iPod Touch 3G, and iPod Touch 2G. iPad and Apple TV, they're their own thing. So before we get started, I'm going to have you guys download 3 things for me, okay? I want to have links for all of them down in the video description, okay? Like I said, just look down there. One thing is, let's see here, I'll zoom it for a little bit for you, is Green Poison RC5. The other thing is the 4.2.1 firmware for your device. Remember to download the correct firmware for your device, okay? It will not work if you download a different kind of firmware. It has to be 4.2.1 for your device. I cannot stress that enough, okay? And the last thing I'm going to have you download is a program called Red Snow. This is another jailbreak that is used, that we're going to actually use to install Cydia on a device, which is the main pretty much installer that we use to install your custom applications and stuff like that. That's a definite must need, okay? Now, as soon as you download all 3 of those things, you're all set to go, okay? So what I need you to do now is plug in your device via USB to your computer. Please ignore the duct tape. My bad. But once it's plugged into your computer, we're going to put our device into DFU mode. If you don't know what DFU mode is, just watch this tutorial. It's pretty simple. Just follow along, okay? So what we're going to be doing here is holding down on the home button and the power button for at least 10 seconds, okay? Your screen should turn black. As soon as your screen turns black, I want you to release the power button right here and keep holding down on the home button for another 7 to 8 seconds, okay? If you're on a Windows computer, I'm sorry, you won't be on a Windows computer right now, but whenever Green Poison is available for Windows, turn up your volume a little bit, because it actually makes it a little bit easier to tell if your device is into DFU mode or not, because it actually makes sounds on your computer. Trust me, you'll know it whenever you hear it. But anyway, let's do this, okay? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that should be good enough. Usually whenever you put your device into DFU mode, iTunes pops up and says that your device is in recovery mode and needs to be restored. Don't do that. That means it's definitely in DFU mode, okay? You're all set. And just in case you can't jailbreak and you just want to chicken out and just say forget it, it's not worth it, if you do the exact same process I just told you, you can get yourself out of DFU mode, okay? Just do the reverse of what I said, okay? Just rewind the video and then do the same thing again, and it will get you out of DFU mode. So once our device is in DFU mode, just lay it down, make sure it is plugged into your computer. We're going to go to Green Poison first, okay? We're going to go ahead and open that up. Alright, it's going to give us a little GUI right here that says jailbreak. Just press the jailbreak button for me. It will start to jailbreak your device. Your screen should turn white. Okay, now once that little command line prompt thing is done, you should see this new Apple logo. It looks like a skull. It's the Green Poison logo from the Chronic Dev team. Sorry for the kind of blurry camera. It doesn't show up on there. My camera doesn't have very good lighting, unfortunately. Okay. Just wait for the reboot. And by the way, if you ask, this is an iPod Touch 3G, 32 gigabyte, okay? Alright, we're going to slide to unlock. Then you're going to get this little thing called Loader, okay? Now, as of right now, Loader's not working, alright? But later on, if you go into Loader, it's going to show this thing right here where you can actually download Cydia onto your device, okay? What you're going to do is just tap on that and then let Cydia install. Now, sometimes it will kick you out of the actual program and Cydia will not install right, so you have to reboot your device. That means turn it off and turn it back on, and it will show Cydia on your home screen, okay? Somewhere in this section over here. But as of right now, this is not working, so I'm going to show you guys how to actually install Cydia using another program called Red Snow. Okay, so we're going to set our device down for a second while it's plugged in. Okay, now we're going to open up this other program called Red Snow. This is the program that we're going to use to actually install Cydia on our device, and this is where our firmware comes in hand. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open up Red Snow. Back up a little bit, sorry about that. Okay, we're going to browse for our firmware. Remember, it's 4.2.1 for our device. Okay. Alright, there's mine right there. I'm going to show you, zoom in a little bit. iPod Touch 3G 4.2.1. Select it, press open. It's going to process the IPSW. It's successfully identified. Just press next. It's going to patch the kernel for us. Alright, now we're going to see some options right here. What I want you to do is uncheck everything except for install Cydia. Make sure install Cydia is the only thing checked, okay? Just do that and you're all set to go. Next. Now we got to put our device into DFU mode again. If you forgot how to do that, I'm going to show you one more time, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And like I said, iTunes should pop up. It doesn't for me, sorry about that. But after 10 seconds, it should be in DFU. Alright, so with your device plugged in by USB to your computer, you're going to go ahead and press next. You should see this little downloading jailbreak data thing. And once again, we're going to see some more command prompt or command line verbose booting crap that I can't explain very well, so I'm going to shut up. By the way, guys, while this is doing its thing, I want to remind you guys, if you want updates on jailbreaks and stuff like that, you can always follow me on Twitter or Facebook, or even subscribe to me on YouTube. There will be links for that down in the video description as well. I'm always up to date on my shit, and I will update you guys immediately whenever something new is out. So it's definitely a good thing to do. Think about it. I could change your life. I'm joking, but anyway, yeah, this is so boring. There we go. Pineapple, that's a good thing. People are like, what the hell is that? They have never like jailbroken before. The first time I saw that, I was like, what the hell? But that was just me, I guess. No, I'm not crazy. I don't talk to myself. Okay, we're done, guys. Just slide to unlock, and you should have Cydia on your screen, okay? It's going to be on the second page, okay? Just go into Cydia. The first time that you open it up, it's going to give you the option to use user, hacker, or developer. Choose developer because you'll be able to have access to all the SSH tools and stuff like that. And trust me, as soon as you get your Cydia on your device, you need to go to the changes right here. Wait for it to load. Hold on 1 second. And make sure that you do the complete upgrade. That will make sure that you are all set and ready to use Cydia. And that's pretty much it, guys. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter or Facebook, or subscribe to me on YouTube. And I will check y'all later. Peace.